Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the landscape of warfare as we know it. This is the AI battlefield. How artificial intelligence is changing modern warfare. From drones flying high above the battlefield to algorithms analyzing vast amounts of data, AI is revolutionizing how nations conduct warfare, strategize, and respond to threats. Join us as we explore the profound impact of AI on modern warfare and what it means for the future of military conflict. 1. The rise of AI in warfare. As technology continues to evolve, so does its application in military strategy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept in science fiction. It's becoming a critical component in modern warfare. But how did we get here? From the invention of gunpowder to the introduction of drones, each leap in technology has changed the way wars are fought. Today, AI is revolutionizing combat operations, surveillance, logistics, and decision-making processes. 2. AI in combat. One of the most visible applications of AI in warfare is through the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. These AI-powered systems are revolutionizing combat by enabling real-time surveillance, target identification, and even strikes on enemy positions without risking human lives. Imagine a battlefield where drones can fly autonomously, gather intelligence, and even engage targets based on pre-programmed criteria. Drones equipped with AI algorithms can analyze visual data from the field, distinguishing between civilian and military targets with a level of accuracy that would be impossible for human operators alone. They can also operate in swarms, coordinating their movements and actions in real time to execute complex strategies. This swarm technology is particularly intriguing as it could overwhelm enemy defenses, creating a tactical advantage in combat. Moreover, AI systems are being integrated into ground combat vehicles, allowing for increased automation and decision-making capabilities. For instance, armored vehicles can now be equipped with AI that enhances their situational awareness, enabling them to detect threats, assess the battlefield, and make tactical decisions in real time. This can significantly improve response times and effectiveness in combat scenarios. As the capabilities of AI in combat continue to grow, we must also consider the ethical implications. The idea of machines making life and death decisions raises important questions about accountability. If an AI system mistakenly identifies a civilian as a threat and engages, who is responsible? These ethical considerations must be part of the broader discussion about AI in warfare. 3. AI in surveillance and intelligence. AI is not only transforming combat, but also enhancing surveillance and intelligence operations. In the realm of modern warfare, information is power, and the ability to gather, process, and analyze intelligence quickly can mean the difference between success and failure. Advanced surveillance systems powered by AI can monitor vast areas, track enemy movements, and identify potential threats in real time. For example, facial recognition technology, combined with AI, allows military forces to identify known terrorists or adversaries in crowded areas, significantly improving security and response measures. Moreover, AI-driven data analytics can sift through massive amounts of information from various sources, including social media, satellite imagery, and intercepted communications. By analyzing patterns and trends, AI can help military analysts make informed decisions about potential threats or emerging conflicts. This capability is essential in a world where insurgent groups can rapidly change tactics and strategies. The use of AI in intelligence operations also enables predictive analytics, where AI systems can forecast potential threats based on historical data and current trends. This proactive approach allows military planners to prepare for possible scenarios before they materialize, improving overall readiness and response. However, the reliance on AI for surveillance and intelligence raises concerns about privacy and civil liberties. The potential for mass surveillance and the misuse of AI technology by governments must be closely monitored and regulated to ensure that ethical standards are upheld. 4. Ethical considerations. With great power comes great responsibility, and the rise of AI in warfare is no exception. The ethical implications of using AI in military operations are profound and multifaceted. One of the most pressing issues is the question of autonomy. Should machines be allowed to make life and death decisions without human intervention? This is a topic of intense debate among military leaders, ethicists, and policymakers. The potential for AI to make errors in judgment is a significant concern. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biases in that data can lead to catastrophic mistakes. For instance, if an AI system is trained on flawed data that misrepresents certain groups or behaviors, it may make incorrect assessments in real-world scenarios. The implications of this could be disastrous, leading to unintended casualties and escalating conflicts. Moreover, the use of AI in warfare raises questions about accountability. In traditional military operations, accountability for actions can be traced back to human decision-makers. However, when AI systems make autonomous decisions, it becomes challenging to determine who is responsible for those actions. This lack of accountability could lead to a dangerous precedent where militaries might use AI to justify actions that would be deemed unacceptable if carried out by human operators. Additionally, the potential for AI to be weaponized in cyber warfare presents another ethical dilemma. As nations develop advanced cyber capabilities, the risks of AI-driven cyber attacks increase. These attacks could target critical infrastructure, disrupt communication systems, or even manipulate information on a large scale. The consequences of such actions could destabilize nations and lead to widespread chaos. As we embrace these technologies, it is essential to have robust discussions about the ethical frameworks that should govern their use in warfare. Policymakers, military leaders, and ethicists must collaborate to ensure that AI is used responsibly and that safeguards are in place to prevent misuse. 5. The future of AI in warfare. Looking ahead, the future of warfare is likely to be dominated by AI. As we continue to see advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and autonomous systems, the capabilities of AI in military applications will only expand. We are entering an era where autonomous systems will be able to adapt to changing conditions on the battlefield, learning from each engagement to improve their effectiveness. One exciting prospect is the concept of human-AI collaboration in combat. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human soldiers, the future may see AI systems augmenting human capabilities. Imagine a battlefield where soldiers work alongside AI systems that provide real-time analysis, tactical advice, and situational awareness. This partnership could enhance the effectiveness of ground troops while minimizing risks. Nations around the world are investing heavily in AI research and development for military applications. The race to develop the next generation of smart weapons and systems is underway. Countries that successfully integrate AI into their military strategies will likely gain a significant advantage in future conflicts. However, this race also raises concerns about an arms race in AI technology. As nations compete to develop advanced military applications, there is a risk of escalating tensions and conflicts driven by technological superiority. To mitigate these risks, international dialogue and agreements on the ethical use of AI in warfare will be crucial. As we stand on the brink of a new era in warfare, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and it's transforming the way we approach conflict. The AI battlefield presents both opportunities and challenges for humanity. While AI has the potential to enhance military effectiveness and save lives, it also raises complex ethical dilemmas that we must address. It's vital for military leaders, policymakers, and society as a whole to engage in thoughtful discussions about the implications of AI in warfare. As we navigate this new terrain, let's ensure that the use of AI in military operations is guided by principles of accountability, transparency, and respect for human rights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more content on technology and its impact on our world. What are your thoughts on AI in warfare? Let us know in the comments below.